हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करेंगे 11th क्लास की जो पोएम है रेन ऑन द रूफ, और इसके जो पोइट हैं वो हैं कोर्ट स्कीनी। रेन ऑन द रूफ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पोएम है, हार्ट टचिंग पोएम है। और इसमें जो पोइट है वो अपने ड्रीम्स के बारे में बताता है, अपनी जो इम्पैक्ट है उसके ऊपर, रेन ड्रॉप्स का जो इम्पैक्ट होता है उसके बारे में बताता है। तो किस तरीके से उसके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट होता है सॉफ्ट फॉलिंग रेन ड्रॉप्स का जानते हैं इस पोएम के अंदर। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Rain on the Roof by Kurt Skinny. When the humid shadows hover over the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे इसमें जो पोइट है वो tells us that when the humid shadows का मतलब जो मॉइस्चर से भरे हुए जो बादल हैं, जो क्लाउड्स हैं उसके बारे में बताया गया है। when the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, when the moisture laden clouds float across the sky over the starry spheres. Starry spheres means when there are stars in the sky, night time stars are visible. So at that time when black clouds float around in the sky, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. And that darkness means there is a darkness in the sky. That darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. At that time it seems that the melancholy darkness, sad darkness is weeping, and those tears are in the form of rain. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जो है पोइट ने बहुत ही जेंटली उस चीज़ के बारे में बताया गया है कि किस तरीके से कि जो शावर इट रेन्स एंड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट। व्हाट ए ब्लिस टू प्रेस द पिलो। तो यहाँ पर देखिए स्टार स्फीयर्स, ये जो यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स हैं आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें कौन से हैं, यहाँ पर स्टार स्फीयर्स देख लीजिए आप, इसमें एलिट्रेशन का यूज़ हुआ है। और प्रेस द पिलो में जो है यहाँ पर दोनों तरफ पी और पी का जो है रेपिटेशन हुआ है, दोनों कॉन्सोनेंट हैं, तो यहाँ पर भी एलिट्रेशन है। कोटेज चैम्बर देखिए यहाँ पर ये भी जो है अपना एलिट्रेशन है। ठीक है, तो जहाँ पर एक जैसे वर्ड जो है रिपीट होते हैं तो वहाँ पर होता है अपना ये जो है एलिट्रेशन है, यहाँ पर एलिट्रेशन। ठीक है। When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, mean to say the poet wants to say that when there are black clouds in the sky during night time, it seems that darkness is very sad. Okay, because darkness is the symbol of negativity. Okay, that and because of sadness it weeps, and when it weeps then rain falls down. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. And the poet here admits that it is a bliss, it is a very pleasant thing to listen to those patter means the sound produced by the soft falling raindrops is really very pleasant thing to listen to those soft falling raindrops lying in bed in his room. So that is a blissful thing for the poet. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. So shingles means rectangular wooden boards which are used under roof to support it. Tinkle means the sound produced by rain. Okay, every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and every the sound produced by the raindrops on the roof creates an echo effect in the heart of the poet, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Busy being here means busy human being. Who is the busy human being? Here it tells us about the poet who is very busy. Now he starts dreaming. about old memories, past memories. Okay, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy wing start, and a thousand recollections. So recollections means past memories. So past memories हैं, they come to his mind. Okay, and यहाँ पर बहुत सारी जो हैं पास्ट मेमोरीज हैं उसके यहाँ पर माइंड में आती हैं. Weave their air thread into woof. Weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. And those past memories create a web-like effect on his mind when he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Mean to say, when it rains on the roof, then it creates an echo effect, as well as it brings past memories to his mind, and those memories are woven like a web, woven like a web, as threads are woven on a woof into a woof. Woof means a structure of threads is known as woof. तो इस तरीके से जो यादें होती हैं वो सारी उलझी हुई हैं, आपस में गुथी हुई हैं, एंटेंजल्ड हैं, वो सारी उसके दिमाग में आती हैं. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now in the memory comes my mother. And here the poet tells us that now he thinks about his dead mother, expired mother, who comes in his dreams as she used to come years agone. Mean to say, as she used to be near him during such type of weather when it was raining, and she used to look at him to regard the darling dreamers. Regard means to take care. Take care. The darling dreamers. Darling dreamers refers to the poet and his siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters. Before, is the word used for before. In the past, such type of usage was very common. She left them till the dawn, and his mother, the poet's mother, let them sleep till the dawn without any disturbance, and she used to look at them fondly with love. And here the poet miss his mother very much, and he says, "Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain." And still the poet can feel his fondly look of his mother while listening to the soft falling raindrops, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. And by soft falling raindrops, the sound produced makes the poet think about his mother, and the mother is no more, but in his memory the mother is still alive, and he can still feel the fondly look of his mother, and he wants to enjoy all his dreams, past recollections during that time, as long as the rain falls on the roof, on the ceilings. Okay, so here we come to know how the poet becomes dreamy when it rains, and what is the impact of rain on the poet. Okay, so this is the end of the poem. I hope you must have got this poem. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.